Hey guys, it's Cat Kerr, and today we're making these computer graphics art pendants. They're really fun and easy to make, and they were inspired by these silicone measuring spoons that I found in Walmart. Now before we get started, we do have to print up our images, and today we're using Computer Grafix, both the clear and the matte. I created a little template of the spoons and just cut out the images. I decided to add some color to the matte computer graphics using these permanent markers. Now today we're using Amazing Clearcast, and it comes in two parts, a part A and part B, and I just need to mix up 2 equal parts. I'll stir it for about 2 minutes and then let it sit before I pour it into my spoon. Now I first add a base layer of resin. I'm only filling the spoons about halfway, and then I'm going to let them cure for about 24 hours. Next, I remove the backing off the images and I place them on top of the cured resin. I then used a stylus, or you can use a popsicle stick, to press them firmly onto the resin. Next, I mixed up another batch of resin and added it to the top of the image. Before the resin cures, I added these confetti stars to the resin. Now that the resin is cured, I simply pop them out of these silicone measuring spoons. Now you can see the difference between the clear and the matte film that I printed the images on. Next, I'm marking where I'm going to drill the holes for my little eye hooks. If you don't feel comfortable using the drill on the resin, you can always glue a bail to the back of your pendants. But I'm just going to go ahead and make little holes and then screw on the little eye hooks. Here I'm adding some circles around the border of the pendants using a metallic pen. And I knew I wanted to add one additional layer of resin just to give the pendants a little bit more of a domed look. So I mixed up a new batch, added it to the top of the pendants as well as some rhinestone strands, and once they were completely cured, I assembled my necklaces, and now I have these unique, one-of-a-kind Computer Grafix art pendants. This video is brought to you by www.grafixarts.com. To get a complete list of materials used in this tutorial, see the description below.